Dr. Anandi. Welcome to my channel Make Biology Simple. இன்னைக்கு வீடியோட இன்ஃபர்மேஷன் என்னன்னா vlog வீடியோ இந்த MMM காலேஜ் ஆஃப் அலைட் ஹெல்த் சயின்சஸ் தான் வந்திருக்கும். ஸோ இந்த டீட்டெயில்ஸ் ஃபுல்லாக உங்களுக்கு வந்து ஆஃப்டர் +2 கம்ப்ளீட் பண்ணிங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு என்ன கோர்சஸ் எடுக்கலான்ற ஒரு டீட்டெயில்ஸ் தான் இந்த வீடியோவில் நான் போட்டிருக்கேன். ஸோ வாட்ச் டில் எண்ட் அண்ட் யூட்டிலைஸ் ஆஃப்டர் கம்ப்ளீட்டிங் யுவர் +2 கோர்சஸ். இது மெட்ராஸ் மெடிக்கல் மிஷனோடைய காலேஜ் ஆஃப் அலைட் ஹெல்த் சயின்சஸில் என்னெல்லாம் கோர்சஸ் இருக்குதுன்னு பார்க்கலாம். So BSc Cardiac Pulmonary and Perfusion Technology, Cardiac Technology, Dialysis Technology, BSc Medical Sociology, Perfusion Technology and Operation Theatre and Anesthesia Technology. So 7 undergrad courses in the college la irukku. And இதே கோர்சஸோடைய டீட்டெயில்ஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இட் இஸ் 4 years, 3 years உங்களுக்கு காலேஜ் அண்ட் 1 year இன்டர்ன்ஷிப்பும் கொடுக்குறாங்க. இன்டர்ன்ஷிப்க்கு அவங்க ஹாஸ்பிட்டல்ஸ்லேயே ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் அனுப்புகிறாங்க. அண்ட் ஜாப் ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டிஸ் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா வெரி குட் ஜாப் ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டிஸ் ஆர் அவைலபிள் ஃபார் தீஸ் கோர்சஸ். அண்ட் கம்மிங் டு பிஜி கோர்சஸ் வரும்போது எம்எஸ்சி மெடிக்கல் லேப் டெக்னாலஜி, கிளினிக்கல் நியூட்ரிஷன். ஸோ மொத்தம் பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இங்கே வந்து 520 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் படிச்சுட்டு இருக்காங்க. அண்ட் இப்போ வந்து நியூவாக 2 courses they are going to add. கம்ப்ளீட்டிங் +2, அதாவது +2ல பியூர் சயின்ஸ் குரூப் எடுத்தவங்க ஆஸ் வெல் அஸ் ஃபர்ஸ்ட் குரூப் எடுத்தவங்க என்னென்ன கோர்சஸ் எடுக்கலாம்னு கேட்குறீங்க. அவங்க இந்த சப்ஸ்கிரைபர்ஸ்க்காக தான் அந்த மெயின் வீடியோ நான் vlog எடுத்துகிட்டு இருக்கேன். ஸோ இன்றைக்கி நம்ம வந்து MMM காலேஜ் ஆஃப் அலைட் ஹெல்த் சயின்சஸில் அந்த காலேஜில் தான் இருக்கும். முடிச்சு சப்ஸ்கிரைபர்ஸ் கேட்டிருக்கீங்க. அவங்க வந்து இந்த vlog-உடைய இன்ஃபர்மேஷனை ஃபுல்லாக யூட்டிலைஸ் பண்ணி இந்த காலேஜோடைய ஃபோன் நம்பர் ஆஸ் வெல் அஸ் வெப்சைட் எல்லாமே உங்களுக்கு டிஸ்கிரிப்ஷன் பாக்ஸில் போடுறேன். நீங்கள் அதை பார்த்து யூட்டிலைஸ் பண்ணிக்கணும். வீடியோக்குள்ளே போகிறோம். ஃபஸ்ட்டு நம்ம பார்க்க போகிறது வந்து மிஸ்ஸஸ் ஆஷா லதா. அவங்க வந்து உங்களுக்கு அட்மிஷன் ப்ரொசீஜர் எப்படின்றதையும் உங்களுக்கு ஃபுல் டீட்டெயில்ஸ் சொல்லுவாங்க. அண்ட் நெக்ஸ்ட் நம்ம பிரின்சிபல் டாக்டர் தீபா ஸ்ரீ ஃபிலிப் அவங்கள பார்க்கலாம். அவங்க உங்களுக்கு ஜாப் ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டிஸ் ஸ்கோப் அந்த ஃபுல் டீட்டெயில்ஸ் உங்களுக்கு சொல்லுவாங்க. மேக் யூஸ் திஸ் ஆப்பர்ச்சுனிட்டி.
My name is Asha. I am the Assistant Manager Administration for MMM College of Health Sciences. Our admission process starts in the month of March 1st. You will have the applications in the website www.mmchs.org. You will know all about the courses when you go through the YouTube. The application cost is 1,050 rupees. We will issue the application until the May 31st, 2021. After which there will be an admission process, an entrance exam and scrutinization of the applications. You will know the results of admission in the month of July. Should you have any queries, you can call us on the numbers that is available on the website for any clarifications. We have PG courses also. The applications will be issued all through these months from March to May. And also you can download the application from the website and you can also buy it in person in the college in the address given below. Thank you very much. We welcome you all to MMM College of Health Sciences for a happy learning in the medical field. God bless you.
Welcome to Madras Medical Mission College of Health Science. This college is affiliated to the Tamil Nadu Dr. MGR Medical University. The college is in affiliation with the university from the year 2007. We have around 7 UG courses and 3 PG programs. The students are exposed to the clinical training along with the theory classes out here. It's a very promising the future for the healthcare professionals. Earlier when it used to be only when we think about science we know only medical and engineering. Now there is plenty of options with healthcare industry. As we know it is the most important parts and parcel of our life now. So the children who are interested in science, who can think of something different from the medical and engineering can always prefer for these courses. There are plenty of courses that is available in the healthcare industry or healthcare professional. Here we have the 7 UG programs. If you can go to the prospectus and see the courses. Now there is no council for the healthcare professionals, but the groundwork is all going on for to get a council for the healthcare professionals, and we are expecting a council as we have council for pharmacy and nursing. We are expecting a council for healthcare professionals also. Maybe that will be ready in a year or two. If that comes, then our children are not only will be used in the corporate sector, but also they will be utilized in the primary healthcare sector, where they can go hand in hand with the doctors there. So it's a very promising future for the students who wanted to pursue the science and go in the allied healthcare professionals. If you look at the individual courses that we have it here, is a physician assistant, for example. They are the 4-year program, where 3 years of theory and practicals where they go. Physician assistants program, where it is a 4-year program with a 1-year clinical internship. When the students are ready after the clinical internship, they can be utilized in every department along with the doctors, where they will be assisting the doctors in the in OPDs and also in the theatres. They are widely used, and that is a highly demanding one of the course that is existing. We have cardiac technology, where the students after the internship, they work as a technologist in the cardiac departments. For cardiac technologist, our students will be used as a technologist in the OPDs and also in the theatres. They are also used in the electrophysiology departments. It's a highly demanding course that's coming up now. We have operation theatre anesthesia technology, where the students will be utilized in the theatres, assisting the doctors in surgeries. We have medical sociology. This is one of the very promising field, but unaware by so many people. I mean, people are not very much aware about the medical sociology, the field, but it is one of very promising field where this can be compared to the MSW that maybe people know about it. It can be compared with MSW, but the difference is that the MSW, when you are dealing only with the sociological aspect or the social work departments, here the medical sociology, the students can be utilized not only in the social work areas but also in the clinical field. So the students after their internship, they can be utilized in NGOs, they can be utilized in the insurance in the hospitals, they can be utilized in any palliative care centers. Of dialysis technologists, the students of cardiac perfusion technologists, are they utilized in the respective departments and assisting the doctors. So they are the people who will work in hands with the doctors, and it is a very respectable job that any professionals or any degree professional can get it. It's a highly promising future where it is not a day or one day job. As they are more competitive in their field, as they perform good in their field, every doctors would like to have these children to work with them. That is the advantage. Now most of our children, when they get into even for interviews, they perform so well, so we get a lot of calls from other hospitals to observe our students into their hospital. So that is one promising feature about these courses, that they have to be well prepared, they have to be competent enough to go with the industry, and that is the requirement. How they perform well is what matters. So the thing is, the students can get a very good pay also. The package is it varies from 25,000 to 50,000 in most part of the country in India, and they are also can go for abroad, because this is a 4-year degree program, and that is what is wanted by the abroad universities, or when they go for abroad job, they all have a demand for the 4-year course. So their professional degree program is for 4 years. They are highly in demand for that too. Madras Medical Mission College of Health Science is a promising healthcare hospital for those students who are compassionate, passionate, and who have got a service minded for the patient's care, which is very important because when you have your 11th and 12th, we hardly serious about how we go about our future. But when we don't have any option, the children do take up the healthcare. People should not have that mindset when they're coming for healthcare professionals. They need to have a service minded and that compassionate, that passion for the service. And we welcome those students who are really with this mindset, because that is only what going to help. So Madras Medical Mission College of Health Science is open to all those people with good academic record and who are with the service mind. Thank you for the listening.